Ano sabi mo, Lele?
It's good.
It's good, diba?
Work is almost over. Summer's getting closer.
Hi mga zoo! Welcome back sa aming channel. For today's vlog, walang pasok si Aliyah kahit na Monday. Si Mimi lang ang inihatid ni Andy kanina. Kaya ngayon, i-date namin si Aliyah sa dentist. We are going to Awesome Smile mga zoobs. Kaya, halika na! Hello again! Ito na, on the way na kami sa Awesome Smile Dental Clinic. Magpapaklining ako at isasama ko na rin syempre si Aliyah since wala siyang pasok. Ngayon nakaupo siya sa seatbelt sa car seat ni Mimi. Dito lang kami sa Quezon City branch pupunta para medyo malapit-lapit. And yun nga, cleaning lang naman yung gagawin namin. And after this, we don't know what to do yet. Maybe we'll have a quick dinner, lunch. A quick lunch. And we have to clean our house. Because apparently last night, I'm so tired. At hindi kami nakapaglinis. Kaya ngayon kami magbabayad ng kalinisan sa bahay. Let's go.
I've never been to this part of town. Everyone's dressed up here, but look so down. Lost in a room where my shadow.
Yan, tapos na kami. Lele, how was it? Good. Lele is very good. Hindi siya umiyak. Tapos na-clean pa yung teeth niya. First time mong nagpa-clean ng ganun, di ba? Yeah, how was it? How's the experience?
Good.
Yeah. How does it feel? Scary, pero hindi naman nakakatakot, di ba? It's good. Ayan, dito kami sa car. Ano sabi mo, Lele?
It's good.
It's good, di ba? Ano yung kinukwento mo sa akin kanina? Huwag silang sabi mo kanina, you feel a little bit scary. But it doesn't hurt. Yeah. Ang bilis nga lang eh. Kasi you're listening to the dentist. Di ba? Kung ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin. It's only last 5 minutes. Clean na agad yung teeth mo. Sabi niya, very good ka daw, di ba? We just need to wait kung kailan mag-fall off yung mga baby tooth. Di ba?
How many babies?
I think 3 sa taas, 3, dalawa. Madami pa. Antayin na lang natin mawala. O, lagay mo na yung seatbelt mo. Eto na. Ano, uwi na muna ba tayo? O eat? UP Town? Hindi. Hindi tayo mag-UP Town. You want sinigang, Lele? In the house? We have sinigang in the house.
Where?
Yeah.
Salamat.
So we don't know what we're going there.
I didn't know where to go across.
Update namin kayo guys, pero uwi muna siguro kami. Ayan, hindi pa kami masyadong tapos maglinis, pero kakain muna kami. This is my food. Yung natira kahapon, sinigang sa bayabas. Na favorite na rin na Lele. Butchi as dessert. Tapos si Lele may lugaw. Si Andy ay Kobe beef with egg. Ayan, what's that? Dessert ka agad?
Frozen grapes.
Grapes?
Yeah.
Ayan, sige, let's eat muna. Oh, get the ball!
Oh, almost. Ilan na wala ko?
Masaya na sila na ganyan. Oo. Ay! Pumasok. It's okay. Wow! Daddy. Not too high. Go, Mimi. Get the ball. Go. Oh, yan na. Train mo na to.
Next gen. Next gen. May mas wait.
Nagja-gym na daw yan eh. Oy, happy birthday ah.
At least. Mas basic ka na.
26? Sarado mo daw yung gate na yan. Pinapasara sa akin. Hindi ko naman alam paano isara. Ayan na, sarado na.
Balls. You gotta throw it closer to your body, baby. Close up.
Yan. Wow! Oh, almost.
Rally the roll. See if you can get three.
Wait, girl.